if you're doing centreboardless, sit up on there, don't lay on it like a lemon. That's it. Get the bow into the water. You've got to be at the front. Well, obviously you're downwind at the moment, but... Okay, I think you've done enough centreboard. Let's get back to this practicing the rudderless, yeah? Yeah, get yourself upwind first. Get your centreboard down. Get yourself upwind. And I'll video you later on going round in circles, yeah?
We all down there, sir?
Right, get the jib set. Come on guys, shouldn't have that jib flapping. You're still on YouTube, so keep smiling. Can I have a thumbs up? A YouTube thumbs up.